Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can save first message on Messenger without scrolling. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, open up your Messenger app, and let's see you're in this section and you're gonna go to a chat. Now you want to check out what was the first message without actually scrolling. So the other option that you have is you simply need to go ahead and go to the person's profile, go to the section of, you're going to go to the search in conversation, and you're going to first try to remember some of the context of your text, or you can type in, or you can try to add in the date if possible. Let me see. That's what you're going to do. You're going to go ahead, add in the text or first context of your text or the conversation. You're going to add, and that's, you're going to search, you will be able to get the conversation. That's the option available. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.